my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for everybody who's new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. Okay, so today we're going to do the Million Dreams turban, which looks like this, and I have been posting a picture of that recently. It was not that obvious though that this is the turban. I'm going to include a picture right here because I did it with one pashmina, and because of that pattern that you see here, it was not as obvious like what I did, but it will become clear to you in just a second when we're going into the tutorial. Okay, of course, this video is in collaboration with Wrapunzel, which has supplied all the scarves and the shaper, which is the Wendy shaper, by the way, of course, because I'm Leorah and that is my thing. So anyway, thank you Wrapunzel for working with me. This wrap is done with 2 scarves. Of course, you can also do it with one, and I will explain it towards the end of the video. And besides that, I hope you will enjoy, and without further ado, let's go right into the video. Okay, sweeties, welcome to the tutorial part of the Million Dreams turban. And for that, we are going to start out with the favorite t-shirt scarf in the color pumpkin. This is how it looks. And I'm going to put that down from the top down, like this. And I'm going to, as always, flip it in the front so it doesn't hang down in the back too much. So just flipping it in a little bit. And then I'm going to just tie a knot behind my head because, as always, that makes me, you know, feel a little bit safer so it doesn't slip. But you might be able to just pull it off without that. You just have to be maybe a little bit more skilled. And I think it's possible. It's just that for me, this first knot always does the magic, so that's why I'm always doing it. And I personally don't have a problem with having knots in my in the back of my head, so that's why I'm always doing that. Anyway, so that is how it looks right now. And now we're taking the Million Dreams scarf in blue, which looks like this. It used to be also available in red. I'm not sure. I don't think it is available for a long time already in red. But this here is still available as of now when I'm filming this. It has beautiful, colorful tassels on the side. And yeah, it's just overall a super, super pretty scarf if you see the nice pattern. All right. Okay, so I'm going to put that down from the top down as well. And let me just from the get-go flip it in a little bit in the front. And then I'm just going to flip it like this. Like this. And I'm going to place it a little bit more towards the back so we still see the pumpkin color here in the front. Okay, so now I'm going to cross it over in the back. And when I'm doing that, I'm also picking up those 2 strands of the pumpkin colored scarf. I'm just sorting it out a little bit here so it's halfway proper and nice. Okay, so now I'm just bringing all of this up to the top of my head like this. And again, this is again a scarf that is not supposed to be super tidy and super, you know, it can be a little bit messy. Okay, so now I'm just going to tie a knot at the top of my head with all 4 of the strands like this. So my initial idea was to now like tug them away, and I have done wraps like this before, but then I thought we've done that. So what I wanted to do was sort of switch it up a little bit and take the strand that comes out to this side, take it over to this side, which is sort of the opposite thing of what I would like lean towards doing, or how everyone says it. So, and that I'm going to just tug away here. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and I'm also going to bring it over here. Now you can decide if you want to try to tug it in here, like in the front of this strand here, if you want to tuck it in from underneath and like this. I prefer to have a little bit more volume to the back, so that's why I'm bringing it, yes, I'm bringing it in this direction, even though it comes out from the knot in this direction. Okay, so it's again the opposite of what you would think to do. So I'm bringing it over here, but I'm also bringing it towards the back and tuck it in from the back like this. And while I'm doing that, I'm also sort of sorting out the colors, so not only one is showing, but both of them are showing, you know? And then I'm tucking it in here. So now you can of course decide if you want to have the tassels hang out or not. But this is basically the whole idea of the wrap. And again, like also with the last one, I think that I showed you, the last wrap, which one was that? The Jerusalem turban, I think. Again, you can also do that very, very easily just using one pashmina. You'll just put it down, cross over in the back, bring it back up and tie the knot. And then you go into the different directions and tug it away and you're done. You don't have to do it with 2 scarves. I just felt like I want to have this, you know, for me it always adds something if I have a monochromatic scarf and a very, very, you know, pattern rich scarf, or something that is like has a real color boost. I really, really like that. Plus it of course adds more volume if you're using 2 scarves or a pashmina and a scarf or something like this. So if you want to go all big and all the way out, then you know you can use of course more. You can also use 3 scarves and do exactly the same thing, just using 3. So yeah, that is it. All right, so I'm going to turn around. I've been told to do this slowly, so I'm going to try to do this really, really slowly. Okay. I hope that was slow enough. You can always put me on stop, you know, you can always stop the video and look at it also, in case I do forget and I turn around too fast, okay, just so you know. All right, so let me know what you think. I think this is a really, really nice turban, and it's super, super easy and simple to do. Plus, again, it is something that is, I don't know, it's not the expected thing really, and I really, really like this. So anyway, let me know what you think. All right, besides that, of course, if you want to order something from Wrapunzel, I do have an affiliate code with Wrapunzel, which is Queen Leorah in all caps in one word. You will find it here and also in the description box. And besides that, thank you. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for being such a support in my life. I really appreciate it, and I really need it, really. Like all the love that has been pouring out towards me, especially lately. I'm really, really touched by all of you, seriously. So it is a pleasure to be in this community. I really don't know how. Thank God, really, I'm so, so happy to be here with all of you. And yeah, thank you. So besides that, leave me your comments in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, you find all the information about Wrapunzel and also their contacts in the description box, of course. So yeah, so you're all set. And I'll see you here next time for my next video. And if you're watching this on release, then I just want to say Happy Hanukkah, whoever is celebrating Hanukkah, and Merry Christmas, who celebrates Christmas, of course. And I love you so much. Go ahead and sparkle in whichever way you want. And I'll see you here next week for my next video, or if you're watching on my channel, then tomorrow for my next video. And up until then, go ahead and sparkle. I love you so much. Hugs and kisses. Bye.